What's going on, everybody? It's Jake here again, and today I'm back with TryHackMe. In this episode, I'm going to be doing the SOC level 1 path, and then if we scroll down, I'm going to be doing the phishing module. So I'll pretty much, I think I might be doing all these, so I might post all these back to back. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. No promises, but we're going to start off with the phishing analysis fundamentals, this top one. Starting off with task number 1, it just has the basic introduction. Basically, just read this, and you're gonna want to start a machine because you're gonna need to use the machine during this path or module. Okay, so task 1 doesn't have any questions, so you can go ahead and complete that and move to task 2. Okay, so task number 2, it basically just tells you a little bit about the history of email addresses. The only question is email dates back to what time frame. It mentioned 1970s a lot, so it's probably looking for that with that S at the end. Okay, so that's the correct answer. We'll go to task number 3 here. Okay, so after reading task number 3, it basically just tells you the different protocols that are used when sending and receiving emails. So question number 1, what port is classified as the SMTP protocol? It says right here that it's port 25. Okay, so I lied. It's not port 25. It says port 25 is actually outdated if you click on the link that it shows on TryHackMe. So it's not port 25. It's probably going to be port 465 here. So we'll go here, type 465, and it looks like that's right. And then it asks for the IMAP protocol and then the POP3 protocol. So if you go back to this link that it has on TryHackMe, POP3 or IMAP is 993. And it looks like POP3 is going to be 995. Okay, so POP3 was 995. And IMAP is 993 here. Okay, so task number 4, it talks about email headers here. So for task number 4, it says that you can open this up in basically all the text of the email, the sample email they give you. You can open it up in the virtual machine. Just click on the email samples and then click on the email 1 here. This pops up, but you really don't need it for this exercise. The first question is, what email header is the same as reply to? So if you click on this link right here, if you click on that link right there, it's going to take you to this website right here. If you scroll down, I believe it has both the answers. So it says this is the same as reply to, and it's called return-path. So it says what email header is the same as reply to. That should just be return-path here. And then once you find the email sender's IP address, where can you retrieve more information about the IP? Going back to this website, it tells you to go to, if you scroll down here, it says once the email sender's IP address is found, you can search for it at this website right here. So I'll go ahead and just copy that here, and then we can just paste it in here. You don't need the backslash at the end, the backslash, and that should be the right answer there. So going on to task number 5. So after reading task number 5, it says in the above screenshots, what is the I'm guessing that's URL of the blocked image. So it gives you this. I know it's going to start with HTTPS colon // and then it's going to be it's going to be this link right here. I'm not sure how to actually get to this code right here, but I think I'm just going to have to type it out separately. So it's i.imgur.com / all those characters .png. Alright, looks like that's right there. The above screenshots, what is the name of the PDF attachment? That should be the payment-updateid.pdf. So for this last one, I got confused a lot. I had to look it up, I'm not going to lie. But for this one, we're just going to erase everything at the top here besides this base 64 random characters. So we'll go ahead and delete all this extra stuff at the top. And then we're going to scroll down, and there's a one line at the bottom that we're going to have to erase too. So we'll go ahead and get rid of all that. And then we'll go ahead and save this. It's the email2.txt. Okay, so after we remove everything from the top and the bottom, we're going to go ahead and copy everything to the clipboard here. We'll go ahead and copy all of that. And then I just went to Google and I typed base64 to PDF, so we'll go ahead and just submit the base64 and then we'll decode it into PDF here. And this is the answer right here. So this is the answer we're looking for. This isn't how TryHackMe wanted me to get the answer, but it is a way to get the answer. I could not figure it out the other ways. I tried doing it through the terminal, and I tried using CyberChef. I just couldn't figure it out. But when I did paste base64 to PDF, it gave me the answer right away. So we'll go ahead and copy that and then submit it over here. Okay, so the easiest way to answer number one right here is to go to the folder where all the emails are at. So we'll go ahead and go there. Once you're here, you can open up Thunderbird here, and we can type in the email 3. We'll go ahead and load that open. Okay, after it loads, it'll kind of show you what the email will look like here. We can see at the top here, it says, "Thank you, Home Depot." Uh, so obviously they're masquerading as Home Depot. And then what is the sender's email? We can also see that right here. It says support@techbee.com. Which that could also be found just looking at the code right here, the base64. If I can get to it. Yeah, that can be found right here, support@techbee.com. What is the subject line? That can also be found right here. Subject right here. So copy that here, and then if we open up CyberChef, we can paste it into our input here, get rid of the UTF. Okay, yeah, so I had to unselect this, but it basically pops up right here. Order placed, your order ID is blah, blah, blah. So that's basically what the question is looking for right here. Anything after the order placed. We'll copy that. I'm gonna have to copy it out of the clipboard here. Paste it there, and then what is the URL link for the click here? Enter the defanged URL. So if we go back to the base64 file, list to unsubscribe, it's going to be this email right here, this long link, I meant not email. So it says that it wants it defanged. So the best way to do that is just to copy it all. Go back to CyberChef here, paste it in, and then you can look up here in the search for defang URL. Okay, so I had to take out the other one, but if I throw defang URL in here, it should defang it for me. So I can just copy all this here. I think this one should be copy. And then we can go to our clipboard, copy that, and then paste it in here. I got the wrong address, so it's gonna be it's gonna be this address right here. This one that's mixed in with all this nonsense. So we'll go ahead and copy that one. We don't need the equals 3D at the end, just the one that ends in T there. Actually, I think that's a lie. I think we need both the 3D. So we'll go ahead and copy that. Go back to the CyberChef and paste it in here. It's done its magic. So we'll go ahead and copy that. Copy it out of the clipboard again and then paste it right back in here. For some reason mine copied a bunch of things at the beginning and the end. I'll just delete all those, submit it. And then delete that. Okay, so yeah, we didn't need the 3D at the end anyways. Just delete the 2 equals 3D equals 3D. Should just end in the AUET, but it looks like that's right there, so we can move on from there. Okay, so in the conclusion, it basically just tells you everything that you learned. It also says that you should be aware of a BEC, which is a business email compromise. And that's the only question on this one. So we'll go ahead and I'll just copy and paste it actually. And there we go, we're done with this. So that's going to be it for the phishing one. As you guys probably saw earlier, there's still a bunch more. Let me go ahead and close that attack box. Yeah, as you guys can see, there's about 4 more paths that I can do on this one. So I'll probably do all those in a row. I'm currently back in school, so I might not be uploading as much, but I'll upload as much as I can. But thank you guys so much for watching. If this helped, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next episode. See you guys.